Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
To remove eyebrow tint from skin but not hair, start by applying a small amount of petroleum jelly, mineral oil, or a gentle makeup remover to a cotton swab. Carefully rub it over the stained skin around your eyebrows, avoiding the hairs as much as possible. For persistent stains, you can lightly rub the area with an exfoliating facial scrub or baking soda paste. Mix baking soda with a small amount of water. Rinse off with warm water. For sensitive skin, consider using a mild facial cleanser instead. Always follow up with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Remember, the key is precision and gentleness to avoid affecting the eyebrow tint.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.